In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix couldn't connect Bluetooth errors in Windows 11. When Bluetooth suddenly refuses to connect, it's usually caused by something simple: a disabled setting, a minor glitch, or an outdated driver. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the most effective things you can do to get your Bluetooth devices pairing and reconnecting properly again. First, let's make sure Bluetooth is actually turned on. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter A together to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the Bluetooth icon. If it's off, click it once to turn it on. If it's already on, toggle it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This quick reset often clears minor connection issues. Next, open the full Bluetooth settings so we can manage your devices. Click the Start button, then choose Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Bluetooth and Devices. At the top, confirm that the Bluetooth switch is on. Just below, you should see a list of paired devices. If the device you're trying to use is listed but says couldn't connect or doesn't respond, click on it and choose Remove Device. Don't worry, we're just unpairing it so we can start fresh. After removing it, put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode following its manual. Then click Add Device in Windows and select Bluetooth. When your device appears in the list, click it to pair again. If it still won't connect, let's restart the Bluetooth services in Windows. Press the Windows key, type Services, and open the Services app. Scroll down until you find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click it, choose Restart, and then right-click again and open Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Close the window and try connecting your device once more from the Bluetooth and Devices settings. Now we'll check the Bluetooth driver. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth section. Right-click your Bluetooth adapter, then choose Update Driver and select Search Automatically for Drivers. If Windows finds an update, install it and restart your computer. After the restart, go back to Bluetooth and Devices and try pairing again. If you're still running into issues, restart your PC one more time and make sure your Bluetooth device is charged, close to your computer, and not actively connected to another phone or laptop. Follow these steps carefully, and in most cases, that couldn't connect error on Windows 11 should be gone.